Welcome back to this YouTube channel. We'll be solving the example 2 of integrating factor. Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell to get notified for upcoming videos. Just like the procedures we use for our example 1, we'll also follow the same procedures to solve the example 2. Here we have it to be y prime minus 2xy equals x exponential x squared. Hence, we introduce an integrating factor. Let's make this one mu. Multiplying everything from the left hand side with it, we have this equals mu y or prime. Remember, in looking for the value of mu, we don't make use of the value given to us at the right hand side for the meantime. So here we open the bracket, we have mu y prime minus 2 mu xy equals mu y prime plus y mu prime. Okay, now we also have our mu y prime both at the left hand side and at the right hand side. Like I said, also the both can cancel out from collection of like terms, so we'll cancel out this and this. We'll be left with negative 2 mu xy equals y mu prime. Also, our y can cancel out and we'll be left with, let's bring our mu prime here, and we have minus 2 mu x. All right, let's collect like terms. Let's bring like terms together, and when we do so, we have our mu prime, divide both sides by mu, here becomes mu, equals minus 2x. Okay, like I said earlier, mu prime is the same thing as du dx, so we have it to be okay, let me write it out. Du mu dx equals minus 2x. Cross multiply, we have du the mu over mu equals minus 2x dx. So we take the integral of both sides. We have 1 over mu the mu equals integral of minus 2x dx. So integral of 1 over mu will give you in mu equals, this is the same thing as minus 2 integral of x dx, which is equal to minus 2 into x squared over 2. So this cancels out, my 2 cancels 2, and we'll be left with minus x squared. Okay, our ln mu is equal to minus x squared. So you take exponents of both sides, and when we do so, taking exponents of both sides, we'll be left with mu equals exponential minus x squared. Now we have a value for the integrating factor, so we use the integrating factor to multiply our given equation. Hence, we have it to be exponential minus x squared into y prime minus 2xy equals x, so it's x exponential minus x squared dot exponential minus exponential x squared. Like the first example, The expansion of this is the same thing as you doing exponential minus x square y all prime equals x. Everything here becomes 1 because, okay, let's do it. Exponential minus x square plus x square equals x exponential 0, and exponential 0 is 1, so here is x, and here we have our exponential minus x square y prime. From here we take the integral of both sides. We have it to be exponential minus x square y equals integral of x dx. Okay, so it becomes exponential minus x square y. When we integrate our x, we have it to be x square over 2 plus constant. Let our constant be alpha. Remember, we are looking for our value of y, so we divide both sides by exponential minus x square. We'll be left with x square over 2 plus alpha all over exponential minus x square. And when we take the exponential minus x square up, it becomes exponential x square because of the negative value there. Here, x square over 2 plus alpha. So this is our value of y. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified for upcoming videos.